This is one way to spend a Friday afternoon. Yeah, it's hailing. Sure enough. Wow. That's a lot of hell. And just like that, it stops. Sure did leave a remnants. Something tells me we're not going to get a campfire tonight. Good times. So generally speaking, I don't spend a lot of time in my van unless I'm sleeping until days like today. And I spent about 5 hours in here, and it's quite comfortable. Thank you, Paul Vanley, Blueberry Vanillo. You and I are bonding quite nicely. So yeah, this is what we're left with. We got a little bit of ice in our fire pit. So, how do you build a fire in an icy fire pit? Well, you cheat, that's how. Alright, so I've got a plan. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but we're going to give it a shot. Try that. This could work. Something tells me my towel is never going to dry. Alright, cheat number 2 is I've got a half a Duralog left from last night. More cheating. Hey, you cheat when you have to. It's a bit foggy. This campfire made possible by Frugal RV Gal. Thanks, Frugal. You're the best. Frugal donated some nice dry firewood to us yesterday, and man, is it coming in handy tonight. Yep, this is awesome. You can hear the ice boiling under the tin boil. Yep, mandatory campfire time. Some sizzling going on. I can't believe there's that much hail left in there with that fire going. Yeah, so I set the Lucy light out to get some sun today. We'll see how well it works after quite the hailstorm. So it is possible to build quite the nice campfire even in very soggy conditions. Tin foil is easy breezy to pick up in the morning. So that last morning, I literally woke up and looked out the window and I was like, oh my goodness, that's an elk right there. So I really try to be quiet to get out of the van and take some video of them. But I wanted to wake my brother Blaine up so he could see them too. But his tent was too far away. So I did say his name. I'm like, Blaine, Blaine. But it made the elk run. Blaine. Guess the daddies bring up the rear. How cool is that? Well, this should be a pretty easy cleanup. In theory, it's pretty wet. It rained all night long. Could be worse. The ground is still really wet from all that hail last night. The fire pit's pretty damp, but the tinfoil idea worked great, so yep, just drying a few things out. Getting a little solar action on the batteries. Got plenty of solar today. So for our last day here, we decided we're going to do just this. Nothing. We're going to sit here and watch the butterflies go by. This has been just a stellar campsite. It's been a great week. I'm not going to want to go home tomorrow. It's 101 there. It's about 70 here. Well, I hope whatever you're doing, you're staying cool too. Y'all stay lost, my friends.
Looks like we made it. Looks like we made it.
That one looks like the United States, kinda. If you go like that, there's Florida.